What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me. Beard looking raggedy today. But anyway, I'm going to go pick some figs out my mama tree. And I'm going to make some fig jam. So, it's going to be a different setting today. But y'all going to get the same effect with me making my jam. For y'all that have fig trees or can get to some figs, I'm about to show y'all how to make fig jam for your pancakes and your biscuits. So let me go put my boots on, my pants on, my long sleeve shirt, and go climb that darn tree with that ladder. I'm a country boy. And I'm going to get some figs, and I'm about to show y'all from beginning to end how to make fig jam and give y'all a taste test. How about that? All right, y'all. There go them figs. Got that ladder I told y'all, and I jumped on the tree and got me some figs. And I was supposed to make me some fig Newtons, but I decided to make some fig jam because I don't know what the next batch is going to make on the tree. So I'm about to show y'all how to make fig jam the way I was taught a long time ago, growing up in the country. Like I said, I'm a country boy, old country boy shit. Look how they climb that tree barefooted. But there we go. We'll get a paring knife and just take the stems off. You leave the skins on when you're doing fig preserves and doing fig jam. So I'm about to take the stems off and wash them real good and everything, and I'm gonna show y'all what to do with this to make some fig jam. All right, be right back, y'all. My fig stem, I got them in my pot right here, and I got right now I got 2 cups of water in there. I'm about to add another 2 cups of water in there. So there's 4 cups of water, and I'm about to turn this on. You're gonna let this ball till your figs break down, and you smash them up, and I'll show you the next step. So this is step 2. Direction, y'all. I put in 8 cups of water, so that's 8 cups of water to this amount of figs. So I'll go by the amount of figs that you're gonna have. So I put 4 cups. I see that wasn't enough, so do your judgment. So, but this has to cook down, like I say. So 8 cups of water to this amount of figs. I didn't measure these figs. You got to go by just knowing. All right, y'all see there, my my figs didn't cook down. They've been in cooking down for about an hour. We're going to go and shut this off. I'm going to smash this up and show y'all the next step. All right, it's ready. We can turn that off. All right, there go my figs all mashed up. So I'm about to scoop out 5 cups of this fig fig mixture into my pot. All right. My 5 cups of figs, like I say, I got my fire on high heat. Now in this 5 cups of fig mixture, I'm about to put 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm about to put 1/2 cup. Oh, I'm in the pot. I'm recording with my hand this time. I'm about to put 1/2 cup of water in there, and I'm about to stir this in. And now I'm about to add in 1 pack of sugar gel. So let me get it over here. Make sure I'm in the pot. Okay, that's 1 pack of sugar gel. 1 pack of sugar gel. So I'm gonna stir this in here, and I'm gonna let this come to a rolling ball. When this comes to a rolling ball, I'm gonna add in 6.5 cups of sugar. Okay. Stir that in. Let the sugar gel dissolve. And I'll show y'all next when it comes to a rolling ball. All right, y'all, got my jars in boiling hot water. Y'all know you gotta have that for them to seal. And put them on a tray. When we put the hot jelly in there, we'll put the jars on there. We'll let them seal tight, and you'll hear them pop. So there go my jars soaking in hot boiling water. All right, y'all. You see when it comes to a rolling ball like that? So I'm stirring it, and you see it won't stop boiling. Now you add the 6.5 cups of sugar. So Add this sugar in there. 6.5 cups at a time. Stir it, stir it, stir it. All right. Let me stir this sugar in here and be right back. So stir all that sugar in there. I'm gonna show y'all what to do next. Y'all, I've been letting this cook for like 10 minutes. I see it's coming to another roaring boil like that. We can go and turn this off. And I got my jar set up and we can place it in the jar. All right, be right back. My jar is filled up. I got a few more to go. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? And we're going to let them set. And that's how you make fig jam. All right, be right back. All right, got them all filled. So when they're hot like that, y'all, you want to instantly take that top and put on there. So you want to put the top on there and we're going to seal them. Be right back. So that actually made 10 cups of fig jam. So I have 8 half pints and I have 1 pint. So that makes 10 cups of jam. All right, y'all. Y'all seen the blind man do it. Go make it some. Bye. I'm going to do a taste test after a while. Show y'all what they taste like. All right. All right, y'all. There go my fig jam on 2 slices of toast bread like I told y'all. Y'all see that? But to give y'all up in personal taste test since I'm not at my house. Like I said, I did this at my mama's house. So y'all better get a different view. Time to eat. You got some fig trees. Go make us some. Bye, y'all.